the next step is to pick the theme that will control how your store looks. Horizon is the default theme, and it's one of the most popular Shopify themes that works really well as a clean, flexible starting point for most new stores. Because of that, I recommend sticking with Horizon for your first store, and I'll be using Horizon in this tutorial as well. But I'll show you how to try the new theme generator and how to browse other themes in case you want to try something different than Horizon. All the way over on the left-hand side, click Online Store, and make sure that brings you to Themes once you've clicked on it. Here, you'll see that Horizon is the current theme that's been installed. If you scroll down a little, this is where you can try generating a theme using a prompt. You can use your favorite AI to help you generate a short prompt, and I'll paste mine in here. Once you've added your prompt, click Generate Themes. And that may take a few moments to generate your themes. To see how they look, hover over a theme and then click View Demo. And that will open the theme in a demo window. If you like one of these generated themes, you can click Try Theme right here, or you can close this and click Try Theme from this view. Once you click that, your new theme will start to install. The other way to change themes is to scroll down to the Popular Free Themes section. That's right here. And in this tile, click Visit Theme Store. That will open in a new tab, and it lets you filter all these themes by price and by industry. If you find one that you like, click to open it, and then you can demo it like you've done before. To add this theme to your library, click Try Theme. If we scroll down, that will add the theme to your library, and to switch from the current theme to the one that we just added, simply click Publish here. And Publish again to confirm. If you want to follow along with me and continue to use Horizon, scroll back down to the Popular Free Themes, and you should see it in this section. Click here to add it. That will add Horizon to your theme library, and we can make it the current theme by publishing it like we've done before. To remove any inactive themes from your library, you can click the three-dot menu and then Remove. I'll remove this theme as well.